Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to fix Windows Update error code 0x80070003, then let's look at the following solutions. First solution would obviously be is to troubleshoot Windows Update. So how do we do that? We right click on search, go to settings, click on system, scroll below, click on troubleshoot, other troubleshooters, and we press the run button corresponding to the Windows update, and that should solve the problem. Now if that doesn't do so, then we have to restart the Windows update service. We do that by going to searching for services, open, and we look for the Windows update service. Here you go, right click on it, and either you start it if it's not started, or you restart it, and that should solve the issue. But one more thing I would like to say is maybe there's an issue with your internet's connection speed. So how do we check that? We will go to a site like fast.com that will tell us a real-time speed. And my speed is 180 megabytes per second, which is quite good. But if your speed is 20 mbps or below, then there's a problem with your internet connection, and you need to either confirm with your internet provider, or you need to check your internet connection modem and router. All right, the last solution that we can try to fix this problem is we can repair and reset the mail app, the Windows mail app. So we'll look in search for mail, we'll click on it, we'll look for mail, right click on it, app settings, and we will scroll down and click the repair button. Now once it is repaired, we will click reset twice and restart the computer, and this should fix the error. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.